video go around YouTube and buying and trying on loungewear so you can lounge around the house and be comfortable in. I figured, you know, I don't want to just buy all loungewear because hopefully we won't be in this for too much longer, and when we get out we're gonna need some clothes too. But you know what, I can kill two birds with one stone. So I went on Shein. I looked for loungewear that can be converted into streetwear. So I found a few dresses, like these oversized dresses that can be converted streetwear, like they slippers or with heels, sneakers or with boots. Like dresses, they are amazing. And I tell you that this sweater dress is such good quality. Like it was so cozy when I tried. I don't know what's going on with this bag, but how the hell I'm supposed to get this open? Now I gotta open it like a bag of chips. I ain't gonna be good like that. Damn. Okay, this dress, it is so cozy and so comfortable. Like this dress is beautiful, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on. But this one is definitely a 2-for-1. You can definitely wear this in the house comfortably and still dress it up and wear it outside. This is like a, I don't know what color blue this is. It's not royal because it's not royal blue, and this is like a pew green, and I love pew green. It's like one of my favorite greens. But green is my favorite color, but I have many different shades of greens that I really like. And I had some green shoes, but then I was like, you know what, let's change it up a little bit and let's throw a different color in there and let's see how it looks. And it looks so good. Like you can wear this at home comfortably chilling, and then dress it up that night or the next night or whatever, or you know, when we finally get free, you could dress it up with some heels. And honey, it's a statement piece. It is a statement piece. So yeah, this one is definitely a go. This was probably my favorite one throughout the whole haul, but let me not give away too much too soon. So because I got another thing that I'm going to show you next that's absolutely the best. Okay, I'm back. Goodness gracious. Sweater. It's I don't even know what it's called. I just look at stuff and put it in my car. I don't even read the title of it. What's the name of it? What kind of jacket it is? I never know. But this is like a sweater, and to me, I feel like sweaters are so comfortable. Like if not a robe, then definitely a sweater, especially if you like to keep your house pretty cool like I do. I like to keep my really cool, and I love sweaters or a robe. So this jacket, this definitely can be worn. Oh look, it comes with the extra button, which I didn't know, but it comes with the extra button. These are how the buttons look on it. And this thing is so comfortable, like it's so nice. And this is a size, oh, what size was that dress? It's way over there, but it's either a large or extra large, I can't remember. But this right here is an extra large, and it fits me perfectly. I got everything kind of big, if not, like I don't think I got anything in the size large because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. Even though it was already oversized, I wanted to make sure that it was for real oversized. So this thing right here is so comfortable. It's so cute. You can definitely dress it down at home doing nothing, or dress it up. You know, you can dress it down with your little silk nightie, and you can dress it up with that same silk nightie. Like, come on, we know what we doing. Okay, this is not our first rodeo. Okay, we're dressing it up and we're dressing it down. We're dressing it down and we're dressing it up. Okay. You know what? I need to move a little bit faster because I have, like, I'm only on number 3 and I have like 17 more items to go. You know, that's crazy. But this is the next item. This is just a blue dress. This one, it's all right. I don't really like the turtleneck on it. I saw that it had a turtleneck, which was cool, but for some reason I don't really like it on me. But it's a beautiful color. I just didn't really like the turtleneck on me. But other than that, it was very cute and very comfortable. This is just kind of like that cheap rainbow material, so it's not nothing cozy about it, but it's still really comfortable because of the size. It's oversized, so you don't have to, you know, be trying to suck it in or, you know, do all that shit with this, because they can't see it anyway. It's oversized. It's still cute. You can pair this with some sneakers if you're going out, or you can pair it with some heels. You can dress it all the way up, or, you know, if you're home, you put it on with your slippers, and it's just really simply that comfortable. Look at her. She like she done with that bottle. Then I got this one right here. This one, it's like this brown copper color, which I love. I think this color is so beautiful. It looks brown on camera, but it's really like penny color. Like a dirty penny color. Let me not say penny color, because this is almost like penny color, but this is like a dirty penny. So I don't know what color this is. Autumn, I don't know. Copper, doesn't say, of course, but this is a sweater dress, and it gave me like sweatshirt dress. And what I mean by sweatshirt is like crew neck sweatshirt, like not just like sweater dress. Like it gave me sweatshirt dress, if you know what I'm saying. So I was like, oh, a little dress that looks like a sweatshirt, but it's a dress. Like, yes, I think I like that. So it was in this pretty brown color, so I was like, oh yeah, that's definitely cool. Like I can do something with that. Like definitely you could dress this up with the same colors or with totally different fall colors. Like this will be good with greens and oranges and yellows, you know, those fall autumn colors. You know, that will, this dress will be beautiful with those, and you can dress it up like I said, or dress it down. The next thing I got is this little navy blue dress, and it has yellow accents. So it has these balloon sleeves, and it has this yellow plaid down the balloon sleeve, and this is just so cute. I love this because it has a little ruffle detail up at the top too. Now this part is a little bit tight, so if you have big super sized arms like I kind of do, then I wouldn't recommend this dress, only because of that part. But if you feel like your arms aren't that off from whatever size it is, then okay, you'll be okay. It's just a little tight. It's not like, you know, you can't lift up your arms or no shit, but it is just a little tight, simply because I guess the little ruffle detail. But other than that, it's beautiful. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. You could pair this, you can bring out the yellow, or you can stay within the navy blue. You can even wear white. It's totally up to you and what you want to do. But this right here is so cute. You can definitely dress this up and down. This is definitely one of those good 2-for-1s dresses. The next item that I got is this gray sweater dress. Now this one, for real, like, it seems like it may be poorly made, but the material, it's almost like, it feels like, oh my god, it's so soft. It feels like a soft blanket. I don't want to rub it up against my face because I don't want makeup, but oh my god, it's so soft. Like I would definitely wear this on a day where I'm gonna be, you know, in the house and running a couple errands, because it's cute enough to definitely run errands in. But baby, like, this thing is so comfortable, you gonna want to just wear it in the house or make it a house dress. You know, it's cheap enough to be a house dress, but I don't know if you want to, you know, waste it like that, because ain't nobody gonna see it but you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm trying to get the 2-for-1, because I want everybody to see me in my loungewear. That's streetwear. It's what I want. So yeah, this with the burgundy and the stripe with the white or cream, whatever color that is so cute. You can definitely dress this up with some slippers, or I mean dress it down with some slippers, or dress it up with some sneakers or some pumps. You know, it is definitely cute. You can even wear this dress to work because it's really that cute. Let me change my battery because my camera about to die. Okay, so where we at? I done pushed this back and everything. All right, so second to last, I'm almost done. I got this oversized dress, and this one is really oversized. So you can size down on this one. This is an extra large, and I could have gotten a large and been okay because it's really oversized. But it's okay. It's totally fine. I paired it with some jean sneakers to go out and run errands in, like go to the grocery store. Because, you know, I don't know if I would be wearing this to the mall or anything, you know, where I want to be extra fashionable, because, you know, it's a little oversized. It's a little Whoopi Goldberg oversized. But that's okay. We made it work. So I paired it with some jean sneakers because the sleeves, I didn't even take it out. The sleeves are jean, and the sleeves say, oh, I got packages. And the sleeves say, Baby Luck, I believe. Let me see. I think it was Baby Luck. Babe Luck. That's what it says. Babe Luck. And it's jean. Babe on one sleeve and Luck on the other sleeve, and it's striped black and white. So it's really cute. It's really cute. So like I said, I paired it with some jean sneakers just to go to the grocery store in, and then if I wanted to go ahead and wear it out, I would definitely have to either wear a belt to cinch it in or tie it at the bottom to make it a little bit tighter, and definitely throw on some heels. If I'm going out with my man in this, I would definitely have to throw on some heels, because otherwise, you know, you might just be looking funky if you don't. But if that's the kind of look that you want, then of course you don't gotta wear no goddamn heels. You can wear your goddamn sneakers to the movies if that's what you and your man comfortable in. Listen, what you do is what you do. That ain't got nothing to do with me. Alright, so then the last thing. This is this could have potentially been my favorite thing, but it ended up being my least favorite thing in the haul, only because it's a little fitted. Like, this sweater right here is a little too fitted too. So this sweater, it ended up being, it's first of all another one of my favorite green colors. And it's so soft and so comfortable, this sweater. And this sweater was actually plus size. So I thought if I got it in plus size, the 1X would be more than big enough, because it already looks like it was an oversized sweater. So if I get it in plus size, then it will be even more oversized, because, you know, an extra large would have been fine. But this was actually a 1X. So with the 1X, to me, it just fit like a large sweater. And I would almost never buy a large sweater unless it's a men's large. Like, it was just like a regular large sweater. And I'm like, the fuck? Like, I didn't want no large sweater. I wanted like a 3X sweater. You know what I'm saying? I should have just went ahead and ordered 3X. And, you know, dealt with, if it was real big, I still would have put it on. I mean, who doesn't put on a big oversized sweater at this time? So this one, I would wear it in the house, but maybe I'll think about this one if I'm, you know, maybe going out to the mailbox, you know, and I already have on something skimpy, and I'm just gonna throw this little sweater over it. I don't know if I would just be up in the house with this, because it's not oversized enough. It's just not oversized enough, but it's still very cute. So I would definitely wear it out rather than in, but it's still very cute. It's one of my favorite green colors. It comes with this little braid. Another thing I really don't like is this braid is like really cheap, but not even that. It doesn't have loops in the sweater to put this in. Like, there's no loop, so you literally have to tie this around the sweater, and I would just want it to hang, but there's no loops. So I literally have to tie it or maybe add loops so that it can hang, because there's no loops that come on the sweater so that this can just hang open. So that's another one of the cons for this sweater. But like I said, it's still very cute. And it's still one of my favorite colors. So I'm still going to be wearing it. Not sending it back. Because I don't have time for that shit. I'm one of those people. I shop online and I never ever sent anything back. If I sent it back, it was horrible. Like if I sent it back, it was trash. I'm like, one time I sent back this old Chinese ass blazer that it just had to go back. It was so trash. And I think I ordered it from Amazon, so I was shocked that it was that bad. It was like Wish. It was like Wish material. I mean Wish quality. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, and comment if you like to. I would definitely like for you to at least like this video so I can know what you guys like and want from me. I noticed that a lot of my DIY videos do really good here on this channel, so you guys clearly like DIYs. And I also noticed that my hauls do really good here on this channel, especially Shein. Shein does pretty good, so I guess you guys like Shein just like I do. So yeah, I'm just guys, give me some ideas in the comments what you want to see, just so I can get some more content out there for you guys, for you ones that are home and have nothing else to do, and for you guys that are working. Thank you so much. And you know, when you get off, you can relax and watch these videos. But until the next one, guys, peace.